Hello everyone, this is Kimberly here. Welcome to A Blessed Home with Kimberly Davis. In today's video, we are in the kitchen doing a little cleaning, after Christmas cleaning, some decorating for Valentine's Day, and I am so excited to share a new cleaning helper that I received. If you are interested in seeing what I am doing today, just keep on watching. I'm going to start off by sharing this amazing product here, which is the Osotek Horizon Wet Dry Vac H200. Osotek reached out to me and I was so excited to try this in my home. If you've been following me, you know I love anything that can help me out with cleaning in my home, so this was right down my alley. It comes with cleaning solution, a roller, a accessory container, the clip, the roller brush, a cleaning brush, the handle, as well as the vacuum mop itself, and it has a charging station, and this vacuum mop cleans itself. Oh my goodness. Now, if you're looking at this mop, I did insert the handle wrong and I apologize, but I corrected it later. So right now you see me placing the roller on the holder itself, prepping this vacuum cleaner for use. Here is the dock. I'm placing the clip on the docking station so I can place the accessory container on it. Very, very easy to do. Here is the adapter or the power cord for the docking station. And what I love about this, you have a space here that you can wind the extra cording on. And I'm a stickler to see cords running around on the floor or on the wall. So I love this feature. Now we're going to place the roller on the vac mop itself. So easy to do and install. Remove this plate. Slide the roller on and in place. And on the side, it has a locking system that you lock it in place. And I'm sharing that right here. Locking the roller in place. Place the plate back on top. And the vac mop is set. Just place it on the dock. Charging. And we will let it sit and charge overnight. So let's take a look around this vacuum mop. This is the self-cleaning button. This is the power button. This is the auto mode, turbo mode. You have a dirty water indicator, insufficient water indicator. Up above is a dirtiness error indicator. Over here is a suction mode, a self-cleaning mode. You have a battery level indicator. And then below here is a common error indicator. This button here is a voice command button. Lets you select the language that you want or prefer it to talk to you in, which I think is very neat. This is the dirty water tank.
The dirty water tank has been removed. The dirty water tank has been installed.
And below here is where you place your water and solution. Water goes in there. So now we are ready to test this mop out. It also came with some cleaning solution. And it does have a maximum line indicator for your water and your solution, your cleaning solution.
Auto mode.
Now I am amazed at how great this Vac mop cleans my floors. I love my floors to shine. I have a grandson and a very large family. So I want my floors to be clean. And this Vac mop does the job. What I really love about this, it dries as it mops. So you can walk on your floors immediately. Did you see that? It's self-propelled. Oh my goodness. I absolutely love it. Now, look at this dirt. This is 2 days of dirt on my floors, and I was amazed. I'm kind of like, can't believe that much dirt was on my floors, but hey, it is what it is, right? Just sharing with you how it cleans my floors. Now I'm cleaning out the dirty tank, and look at the stuff, the gook that it picked up as well. And yes, I'm gonna disinfect my sink after cleaning this. But you can see this Vac mop truly works. I have a new friend and I'm loving it. So I have now cleaned it and prepared it for the next use.
Charging. Start self-cleaning.
So the self-cleaning mode only takes a few minutes to complete. And I am absolutely loving this vac mop. So information about Osotek's Horizon Wet Vac Mop H200 will be listed in my description box down below, as well as a coupon code for all of my blesties. You will not go wrong, trust me, with this amazing vac mop. So right now I am wiping down all of my countertops. I have removed all the Christmas decor. Hated to see that go, but I am looking forward to some simplicity in my kitchen. And I really didn't have that much in here. But I am setting up a snack station, mainly for my grandson, so he'll know where to go when he wants a snack. But it's for my grandson as well as my family. But these treats right here that you see, this is for my grandson. This tiered tray, I will have it listed in my description box down below from Amazon. And anything that you see in this video, if I can link it, I will. And here's that paper towel holder that everyone questions me about. I found that at a thrift store and only paid $1.50 for it. This basket I will also link in my description box down below. This two-tiered stand that I love to place fruit in. I'm also placing a little tray with a soap dispenser that I picked up a couple of years ago from Hobby Lobby, and my Grove Collaborative scrub brush. Right here, I am placing a caddy that houses paper plates and paper goods. And I'm going to come back to you with a coffee station styling for Valentine's. I've just taken down all the Christmas decor and just kept it with the trees, but I'm going to tweak this some more, so come back and see me real soon. I'm going to style my island out though for Valentine's, so you will get that, but I'm going to do some more things in my kitchen. I picked up this beautiful runner from Hobby Lobby this year. I am still loving the black and white, so I'm still going to carry those colors on. I picked up this dome thrifting for like $4, and I had that tray to place on the bottom. And I painted some hearts that I picked up from Ross black. That's how I'm doing that black and white theme. And you can see to the left how I spray painted these hearts with some Rust-Oleum black paint. Now, if I come across some white hearts, yeah, I will be picking them up and mixing them in this dome with these black hearts. Bringing in these candle holders that I already had. I picked these up from Home Goods or Marshalls. Then I have to add candles, right, to the top of these candlesticks or these candle holders. Those came from Hobby Lobby. Adding a tassel that my girl Christy C gave me. That's one of two that she gave me. And this cute trio with this heart on top. And of course, you know, I have to add my pillows any and everywhere that I can, right? in these bar stools. And I'm keeping it simple, keeping it very, very simple. I'm loving the cleanliness, not crowdness, is that a word? Of my kitchen. Now I have ordered a valance, and I'll be changing that out when it comes in next week, as well as adding a few more touches of a Valentine's decor. But this is what we've accomplished today. Setting up a snack station, putting simple elements by the sink that functions. And it's cute too, right? I also have this tiered tray function with the fruit. Small appliance there that I always use almost every day. My caraway pots are there looking pretty, as well as that caddy. And my kitchen island. Thanks again, Osotek, for the opportunity to share your amazing product, and I thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, follow me on all of my social media sites, and shop my Amazon store. All of those links will be listed in my description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. You take care, you be blessed, and I will see you on the next video. Have a blessed, beautiful day. Please be safe out there, and I'll talk to you real soon. Love you guys.